Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, December the 30th and 31st, 2023. Yeah, the last weekend edition of the year 2023. We have solved already two puzzles. So two puzzles remain. The 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and one of these binaries. Yes. Let me start with this one first, because this one has 26 printed digits. That one has 28. Okay. Yeah. Let me start with this one. Number 7707. 7707. And it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. By the way, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. And 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have, let me see, double O's, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Alright, now between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in comes in 1, of course. Why I place an O there? Well, this should be a 1. Okay. This should be a 1. Okay, let me try this. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, I can place the 1. Okay, here we have a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then I need to think now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, of course, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Same for here. 1 and an O. Yep. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Overlook this double O. Here 1, there 1. 3, 4. Need also an O and a 1 there. Between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Still having here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no, okay. Still having here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay, now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in this column. If I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. Then double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 7 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.